Hi again. Today we will be learning how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. In order to solve it, you need to solve one layer. Get the corners on the last layer in the correct spot. And to make them facing the correct way. So we want to do the white side. Let's pretend there's no bar. So you could just mess up the bar. You want to make a bar, so make one. There's no algorithm for making the bar. Then there's a corner that you put in. But if you don't get that corner like this easily, and you get something like this, you want to do the right hand algorithm that goes like this. Until the white matches up and the green matches up, or any other color. And then here, you if the corner that you want to put in is like this, where nothing matches up, do the right hand algorithm until it goes in. If the corner is like this, you do the right hand algorithm. But if the corner is like this, you could do the right hand algorithm backwards. Now, instead of doing a second layer and then the third layer, the 2x2 only has 2 layers, so we're going to skip the second layer and go to the final layer. So there's no cross to make, like on a 3x3. So you want to get the corners in the correct spot. This corner's in the correct spot, and it's already facing the correct way. This corner isn't, this corner isn't, this corner isn't. So you want to do the algorithm that I showed you in a 3x3 tutorial. And it goes like this, if you have one correct. If everything's correct, you do this, like on a 3x3. Then it's solved. But if you have 0 correct, hold on. So let's say you have 0 correct, like right now. If you have 0 correct, you just do the algorithm. Then you either get 1 correct, or you get 2 correct. If you get 2 correct, well, I have 1 correct here. So let's say you have 2 correct. Okay. You put the 2 on the left side and then do that algorithm. Then it's solved.